What if you could make an entire music video completely with AI and it took just 5 hours to make? What if I tell you these tools are 100% free and there is a huge market for AI works out there? AI is improving year by year and we have no idea what the industry will look like in a year. It can be really game-changing. But for now, let's see what we can actually do and create with AI. To create a music video, I need lyrics, music, footage for the video, and some extra elements like voiceovers or effects. But first, I need an idea. After a long period of thinking, I finally found the idea for the music video. I could have used ChatGPT, but I didn't, and I don't know why. Anyways, now that I had my idea, I wanted lyrics for my song, and I had no intention of spending another 2 days thinking about it. So I used ChatGPT this time and asked it to write me a lyric about a girl and a dragon who are friends and both die at the end. I know, it's dramatic, but I love drama. After getting the lyrics, it was time to generate the music. I used elevenlabs AI, which allows you to generate up to 15 songs per month with the free plan. I wanted an epic song with a female voice, so I used the prompt, very sad song with female voice, slow tempo, epic genre. elevenlabs generated 2 songs, and I could download the vocals and instruments separately. And let me tell you, it's not bad at all.
Nice.
After I got my song, it was time to generate the footage for the music video. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Hyper. Hyper is a free AI tool that can provide realistic or stylized footage for your videos, and it's quite fast. It also promotes your generated video on their website after reviewing. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can write a prompt for generating your videos using ChatGPT. On Hyper's blog website, there is a page called Prompts 101 that teaches you how to write a good prompt for your video. So all we need to do is copy these lines and give the whole set of rules and structure to ChatGPT. Then ask it to write separate scene prompts with the entire story structure, mentioning that every scene prompt should be separate from the others. As you can see, there is a whole story, but the structure ensures that every prompt is independent from the others. Now it's time to generate our footage one by one with our prompts. Each footage generation takes about 5 minutes, and you can regenerate the footage if you don't like the first one. I already did that. It took about 3 hours to generate all of them. I really enjoyed working with Hyper, actually. Next, we should edit our footage and music in a software. I used CapCut for this. It didn't need that much editing. I just needed to put all the footage I've generated together, add music, and maybe some transition effects. But, I decided to make it a little different. I tried to be creative. So I added my footage to CapCut and then used elevenlabs to generate some lines for the video. It took 2 hours to edit everything, and the final result actually wasn't that bad. Although working with AI for this project was exciting and I kind of liked it, I am very careful when I use AI. I had a couple of mistakes in the past, and I don't want to repeat them again. Anyway, here's the final result. Let me know what you think about it in the comments.